In question 13, we are looking at baked potatoes, and we are given a function which enables us to find the temperature of the potato 2 minutes after it's been placed in the oven. And in the first instance, we're asked to write down the temperature of the potato at the moment it is placed in the oven. So the key thing to take away from here is that they are basically telling you that the time is equal to 0. The instant is placed in the oven. So if you take your formula, you are in effect being asked to find P of 0, which is going to be 200 minus 190 times 0.97 to the power 0. As we mentioned earlier, anything to the power 0 is going to be equal to 1. So this is going to be 200 minus 190, which is going to give us 10 degrees C. In part B, it says find the temperature of the potato half an hour after it's been placed in the oven. So again, here fairly straightforward for such a long way through the paper. T is 30. So again, you're just going to substitute into here. So effectively, you're being asked to find P30, which is going to be 200 minus 190 times 0.97 to the power 30, which is going to give you an answer of 124 degrees C. The only real challenge then, it comes in the final part of this question where it says that after the potato has been in the oven for K minutes, its temperature is 40 degrees C. So this time we've got 40 degrees C. So the temperature in this in the function here is equal to 200 minus 190 times 0.97 to the power k, because we don't actually know how many minutes that is. So the problem here is that the variable is actually the exponent. Now, some of you may have seen logs. That's how we often try and solve problems like this, but that's not formally part of the math studies course. So the easiest thing to do then is to solve this graphically, again, on your GDC. So you can just, graph here, y equals 40. So if you graph y equals 40, and then the second graph is going to be y equals 200 minus 190 times 0.97 just to the power of x on your calculator. So again, to solve for x, you're just going to find the intersection, and that should yield a value of k being equal to 5.64 to 3 significant figures.